Hello again, guys. Just want to show a quick video on how to rename your airline. Um, Again, before it used to be a bit more complicated, but we've released a new update now, which lets you rename your airline from within the app. You can't change your difficulty settings. So if you've chosen um, easy, medium, hard, whatever it is, you can't change that. Um, without closing your account. So if you want to change that, I'll show you how to do it, but that's a more longer process where you have to close your account and re-register. So to start with, if you go to into renaming your airline, so from the select airline screen, obviously choose your own airline. You can't choose rename somebody else's airline. So if you're just a pilot for another airline, you can't rename that, but you can rename your own. So we go into there, and then on the bottom right, where it says the name of the airline, which in my case is Test 3, I click on the airline, and it says what we'd like to do: view stats or rename airline or cancel. Hit rename airline, enter a new name. I don't know, Test 8, and press OK. So it takes a little bit of time because you have to go through all the airlines and make sure it doesn't exist, but it's not that long. And then once it's done, it says successfully renamed. Please sign out, and it has to kind of get you to re-sign in, so it reloads all the updated data. Do that again, and done. So now you can see my airline is now Test 8. Um, so that shows you how to rename your airline, and if you want to change the difficulty. So for some reason, I know you've selected hard, but you're actually thinking it's a bit too hard, um, or the other way around, you're thinking it's too easy by selecting easy. I'll show you how to do that. But also, I think a lot of users don't understand. For instance, if you want to buy a plane that you can't afford, so for example, if I sell this one and I've got 60 million now, so if I want to buy an A321, I can do. But what you will notice is that we have different prices. So if you keep on tapping on that name, you can see the used price is changing depending on the number of hours. So you can buy a used plane for less as long as it's got more hours. So the more hours it's got on it already logged, the cheaper it will get. So you keep going through. You can keep going through that potentially and finding one that's in your budget. So that's one I can afford now at 40 million. So I can buy that. So if you're having that kind of issue, you can do that anyway. So now, assuming you still want to change the difficulty setting, to do that, on the top left where it says your username, tap on that, and then in the account screen page, click Manage Account. That'll take you to Infinite Passengers website. Once you're on the website, you just need to sign in with the same login details as Infinite Passengers, your username and password. And once you're here, what you do is choose Close Account, and this will actually delete your account completely. So be sure you really want to do it, and just choose Other and close my account. Once it's closed, then you can go back to the app. You'll have to sign out. It doesn't do that for you. So back, and it kicks you out. And then when you go back into airline mode, then you just need to obviously re-register your new account. It won't let you sign in or anything, so you'll have to re-register from fresh and set everything up.